A lot of suppliers only focus on the big nationals, but today we were one of our traditional customers at Totally Screwed in Hebden Bridge, and hopefully you'll find out more about why people like to work with Centurion.
For me, running the hardware shop in Hebden Bridge is more than just running a shop. It's like a bit of a social space. A lot of people meet up here and have a good laugh, and you know, they learn things as well. They ask me if I can help them with some of their projects, and if I can, I will, because my background's in joinery and restaurant fit outs. So I used to go to a lot of these places, and I found that a lot of them had grumpy guys behind the counter that didn't seem to want to help, or you know, and I've always wanted to be different to that. I've always wanted to do my best to make everybody feel welcome and comfortable to ask the questions. So and I feel very lucky to be part of a community like Hebden Bridge. Do you know what I mean? It's a really big thing for me. I think maybe there's a lot of people that are now realizing that a world of Amazon is not what they want. They want to be able to come out, they want to be able to talk to people, and they want to be able to feel something tangible in the fingers before they buy it.
Hiya, I just came in here to buy some of these things, these hooks. It's a brilliant shop, this. I live in Hebden and don't have a car. It's just down the road. Everything's really accessible. Might be a bit dearer, but it's kind of worth it. And I get a discount anyway because I've got a bus pass.
For me, Centurion have been really good. I opened up in October 2019, so maybe 5 or 6 months before COVID came along. And when COVID happened, it was very, very difficult to get any merchandisers to come along and help out. Centurion stood out amongst that and helped me out a lot. I was new to the business. I didn't really know where I was going with things. And I got helped out a lot, and a lot of merchandise got brought, and we obviously stayed apart, but it was very, very helpful. I like the fact that it's still that old feel. You can talk to a human being and you're dealing with human beings. If you have a problem, it's dealt with. As I say, Sam's a dream to work with. We've come up against issues with a few packaging issues where during the heat waves and things like that, the packaging's been dropping its goods and stuff, but Sam's always dealt with it, and you guys have now got rid of that issue because of new packaging, not being faceless, having human beings that you can interact with and talk to over the phone, as well as having a great website that's dead easy to order off, and not having to purchase massive amounts at a time. You don't have to do the £500 for free delivery thing. You know, it's very, very good for small companies. You just do a large range of everything. I can get everything from you, but as I say, I don't have to buy it in massive amounts.